In this video, I am explaining about my project. In every interview, they asked about, tell me about your project. So we must prepare description of our project. So my project is my current project. I did a sales project with client Jockey. So my current project is called the Sally My current project is called the Sally project, and our client is Jockey, a manufacturing company producing apparel and distributing it across multiple locations in India and abroad. So Jockey Jockey is our client, and it is a multinational company. It producing apparel and distributing across multiple locations in India and abroad also. So the main goal of this project is to enable jockeys management to analyze their sales performance and track key business metrics. For every project, there is one goal. So the goal of my project is to enable the jockeys management to analyze their sales performance and take decisions based on the analysis. Business problem. The problem of the business is Jockey's management wanted to gain better visibility into their sales data. Jockey management wanted to gain better visibility into their sales data. So we convert this business problem into a Power BI dashboard. It helps to the management to take decisions based on report, uh, including they want to see including sales trends. Trend means changes with the time. In some seasons the sales are very high, in some seasons the sales are very low. So for example, in this festival season the sales are very high, so they want to analyze the sales trend and provide the stock and requirement for the sales. So the sales trends are year to date, month to date, and year over year comparisons. Product sales summaries, monthly and rolling 12 month sales. Product sales summary sales means they want to sales the product wise sales. Monthly and rolling 12 month sales. They want to see the month wise sales and rolling 12 month sales. Key performance indicators for tracking business growth. For every report, there is some KPIs are there. For example, in my project, the KPIs are total number of sales, product wise sales, monthly sales. These are the KPIs in my project. Data sources and tools. We worked with multiple data sources. For every report in Power BI, we must take data source uh, to gather the data. Such the data sources in my project as Excel, SharePoint, and SQL Server. To transform and integrate this data, I used Power Query. For integration of data, we used Power Query in my project, and DAX for modeling and calculations. Technical implementation. These are the total technical implementation steps in my project. First one, requirement gathering. For requirement gathering, we collaborated with business users and stakeholders to gather requirements and understand their expectations from the dashboards. By collaborated with users and stakeholders, we understand the expectations from the dashboard. Based on their expectation, we must create dashboard. Data integration and transformation. For integrating and transforming the data, we connected and integrated multiple data sources using Power Query. We applied data cleaning, transformations, and aggregations to ensure the data was accurate and ready for analysis. So, in Power Query, we do steps like data cleaning, transformations, and aggregations. Data modeling. After data integration and transformation, the next step was data modeling. In this data modeling, we designed an efficient star schema for the data model, ensuring optimized performance. In data modeling, we used DAX for calculations like YTD, MTD, MOM, and rolling 12 months. Dashboard creation. After data modeling, the next step is dashboard creation. We build interactive dashboards with Power BI, visualizing key KPIs, sales trends, and product performance. Incorporated slicers, filters, and drill-through capabilities for an enhanced user experience. After creating interactive dashboard, we must create slicers and filters to filter the data based on the user experience. By using these filters and slicer, the user uh, filter the data uh, based on his requirement. After creating dashboard, the next step is security. Security is key steps to protect the data from unnecessary things. So for creating security, we implemented roles and rules in Power BI desktop and implemented and assigned the roles in Power BI service. Uh, this rollout security is used to restrict data access based on user roles. Configured gateways for seamless data refresh. We configured gateways for seamless data refresh and real-time updates. By using these gateways, we set the reports reports update times. We said our report is updates daily at 6 o'clock morning. After creation of security, the next step is deployment. This deployment, we created a workspace in Power BI service and published the reports and dashboards to the workspace. We created workspaces for development, test, and production environment. Next, we conducted user acceptance testing and resolved issues based on user feedback. Users feedback is the main thing in report because when the user shows interest in using of our report is success. So we must take care about user. So users must accept our reports. So one user acceptance testing is important. After we resolved all UAT issues and reported them. Optimization and training. Optimized slow running reports. We optimize some users completed about the report is running slow. So we optimized the slow running reports by simplifying DAX measures and reducing unnecessary visuals. We prepared training materials and conducted workshops. We prepared training materials and conducted workshops for end users to ensure they could effectively use the dashboards. We delivered reports in multiple formats, Excel, PDF to meet stakeholder requirement. Outcome. The project provided the client with a comprehensive view of their sales data, helping them make data-driven decisions and improve operational efficiency. My contributions ensured that the dashboards were interactive, user-friendly, and optimized for performance. This is about my uh, project. So we confidently and completely uh, explain our project. Thank you.